Alright, awesome. This is Amber Woods, aka Mecha Godzilla, talking to you, and in about a few minutes or so, this siren right here, the P-50, shall be going off here. I cannot wait to get it for you guys. This time, it's gonna be at this angle, like full screen. Hopefully this turns out right. And this time, hopefully, I'm not going to be breathing so weirdly. As I had said before, I have severe asthma, but I hope I have it under control better. And, oh. But yeah, this siren shall be going off here shortly. I cannot wait. I really am excited about this because it's been a few years now, and hopefully this is a proper angle. Missed the time again. According to that, it's 9:57, but according to my phone, it's probably 9:58. So, yeah. Not sure which one's right, which one's wrong. But hopefully I can actually get this. That's not the siren, that's a garbage truck behind me. Here soon we shall have the siren going off. This is Morrison, Illinois, P-50. That's about to go off here shortly, so I can't wait. And I'll probably be able to get in a good tight zoom in on the inside of the horn for you guys. No, I guess not. Okay. But maybe hopefully you guys can see that a little bit. It shall be going off here shortly. Yeah, that's not the siren. That's actually the garbage truck in the background. It's almost 10 o'clock, according to that sign right there. So, and the weather is perfect. So, yay! That's just the garbage truck behind me. Sorry about the shakiness, I'm anxious and I'm excited. It's 10 o'clock. So this should be going off any moment now. And I think this must be the only siren that they have here in Morrison. And possibly the only P-50. It's 10 o'clock! And this is the first Tuesday of the month. Maybe a little late going off. Church bells. This is Tuesday, August the 2nd. Something now, but the siren seems to be a little late activating it. Let's wait and see whether or not it goes off. Here's an hoping it does. And not make me look like a total complete, you know what. Should go off any moment now. And then I think after this I'm gonna do my other stuff. Hopefully it's not out of commission. It is now sitting at 10:02. According to my phone. So that should be going off any moment now. 2 minutes late, Siren. I think the siren's being ornery. Come on, you ornery siren. Did somebody forget that it's this first Tuesday of the month? Come on, Siren, don't let this be a flop. Okay, come on. Yeah, I totally think somebody forgot that this is the first Tuesday of the month. Hang on, let me make sure that it is actually Tuesday, not Monday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Come on. I'm almost starting to think that this could be just a total bust. But I'm not going to give up hope just yet. This is my phone letting me know I have messages. And my stomach making all kinds of noises. Come on, Siren. It's 10:07. You're late. You are seriously late, Tornado Siren. Talk about a very late tornado siren. When I first came over here, it was actually facing in this direction that I'm in right now. But my guess is that's the starting point. Could be that it could start like 10 minutes late. There we go. Yes! Listen to that. I got my quarry. I'm gonna sit here until the growl's done. Sorry, my hand's a little shaky. I don't have a tripod or anything like that, so I can't exactly do anything with that. Oh, it's still growing. Well, that my dear friends, was the P-50 Siren in Morrison, Illinois at 10:10. The first Tuesday of the month, August 2nd, 2022. This is Amber, aka Kiryu Mecha Godzilla, signing off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I almost forgot. Please subscribe and leave a comment in the messages and what you thought of that. I know it's pretty loud, but yeah, just let me know what you thought in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos and my channel, and maybe hopefully in the future I might be able to do ones in Clinton, Iowa. Oh, I think we got another tornado enthusiast. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. I think we got another tornado siren enthusiast over here. Hi there. I take it you're also here to film that siren, huh? Ah, that makes two of us. I just recorded one for my YouTube channel.
Hey, I recorded that one for my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, been wanting to film that thing for a year.
Oh wow.
And I finally got my chance.
Mind if I record you?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. This is another tornado siren enthusiast.
Yep.
Like me.
I'm more of a weather enthusiast, but I do like to film sirens every time I get a chance. This one in particular behind me is the ACA P-50. One of the first was installed in July 7th, 1982.
Wow.
It's one of 17 in the state.
Nice.
And that's all I got.
Well, thank you very much for interview. I'm Amber Joyce Woods, aka Kiryu Mecha Godzilla, on YouTube.
I'm Zach Shapiro, aka BHV.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too. I think there was another guy in the car over here that filmed it as well.
Oh, nice.
A lot of people were here to film it, I guess. I was wondering why you're sitting there waiting for 30 minutes.
Yeah, that'd be me. I like to get a good spot.
Yeah, I thought this one was a good one too. It was a little closer. So glad I had your protection. It was so loud that the ground was vibrating.
Oh yeah, I had my earbuds in, so.
I had my earmuffs and my earbuds. I wanted as much protection as I could because I knew it was loud.
Oh, definitely. They don't call it a penetrator for nothing.
Penetrator?
Yeah.
What? Where'd they get that?
Well, it's actually called, the full name of it, I think, is the ACA Penetrator 50. Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of just 17 active in the state. Out of almost 3,400 sirens.
Wow. There's a whole bunch of sirens over in my home city of Clinton.
You're in Clinton?
Yeah, I live in Clinton.
I came from Sterling.
Oh, wow.
We have boring 2001s there. I filmed one, and literally Sterling lets them test for about 10 seconds.
Yeah.
It's lame. I want to say they did this for, about a minute?
I think so.
Okay. Because I've heard reports that they let it go for 3 minutes sometimes.
Yeah.
But I'll take a minute. I needed a good recording of it.
Oh, yeah.
Want to hear a funny story?
Sure.
So it was January. January of this year, I went to film a STH-10 in Rock Falls. Those things are pretty cool. And literally, as I'm about to test, my tripod holding my phone is just filming it at the time. I now film siren for this thing.
Oh, wow.
Much better camera and much more stable. What happened was it fell backwards, and then 2 seconds later it goes off. And then I literally had to hold it the whole time, which was okay. But then I went to Rock Falls again in July from another STH-10. It was all good.
Yeah. I'm actually here watching my parents' dog, but I figured I'd come here and record the siren again for my YouTube channel.
Again? You filmed it already?
Yeah.
What, do you need a better recording?
Yeah. And hopefully this one actually has better quality than the other one did.
Yeah.
My other phone was not a very good high quality one.
They're getting better. And they will continue to get bigger. Yeah, that thing's pretty cool. I wish all sirens were like that, where they vibrate the ground.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, the Thunderbolts. I think those are
Mount Carroll. I'm gonna go there in January.
Oh, nice.
They'll let it test in cold temperatures, right?
Oh, I'm sure they have to.
Yeah, Rock Falls, they had their sirens testing cold, but I don't know if a Thunderbolt will. If that doesn't pan out, I'll go in June.
Yeah, I love the Thunderbolt, like 1000 or 1003.
The one in Mount Carroll's a 1003.
Oh, the double toner.
The double toner? Hmm.
That's a dual tone. I think that's a dual tone Thunderbolt.
Hmm. Yeah. Wonder where that plane came from.
You also have the 2000 or the Thunderbolt 1000T.
What's the difference with that?
The 1000 doesn't have. I don't think has a dual tone.
But what about the T?
The T is.
Maybe it means Thunderbolt 1000 Thunderbolt.
A good one.
Nah, I'm kidding. It probably would mean that, but yeah.
I think it means that the difference is that the 1000T actually has the dual tone without the solenoids that the 1003 has.
Right. Okay. How many sirens have you filmed? Because this is only my fourth one.
This is my first.
It's your first one?
Well, yeah, this is the second time I've filmed this one.
Second time you filmed this one? Well, how many different ones have you filmed?
None yet.
Just this one?
Just this one.
Oh, okay.
I did get permission from the Iowa Emergency Management to film it, but I haven't gotten a chance to do it yet. Been so busy with everything.
You got permission from Iowa Emergency Management to film one?
Well, they said that I don't need to ask for permission, but I do it anyway.
You don't have to ask for permission at all. Like, I filmed 4 sirens and I've had no issues. This is my first one this is the first one I filmed outside of Sterling in Rock Falls. Because again, I'm in Sterling. Rock Falls is like a 5-minute drive. It's right there.
Oh wow, yeah, that's not bad.
But yeah, this is my first one out of town, out of Sterling Rock Falls. But yeah, that's the best one I've heard so far. Hopefully, and I think the Thunderbolt will probably surpass it whenever I get a shot at filming that.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, ACA makes some good products. And, Federal Signal does too, but the 2001s are a little quiet.
Yeah, a little too quiet.
This thing, if we had these in town, we would probably only need 1 or 2 of them because, or 2 or 3 of them. We're a bigger town than those.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cool.
Clinton would probably need about 2 or 3 of them as well.
Shut up! I don't want to hear you. Alright, move on. Yeah, that thing's awesome. I'm gonna go.
Alright.
I need to go home.
Yeah, same here. I need to go to the gas station.
Cool. What's the name again?
Amber.
Amber?
Amber, but I go by Kiryu Mecha Godzilla.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can look you up.
Okay. Alright. I guess I could go ahead and sign off the video here.
And what's the channel name again?
Kiryu Mecha Godzilla.
Spell it out, please.
KIRYU.
Mega.
And then space Mecha.
Mecha.
MECHA. Godzilla. Mecha and Godzilla are the same, one word.
I'm trying to find you. See if I can filter it. By channel. Apply.
It's got that one right there.
This one?
No.
This one?
This one, yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You as well. Alright. This is Amber Woods, aka Kiryu Mecha Godzilla, signing off. Peace out.